Hi, this is super cool. Jay. I've been retrying, trying to make a video. And last one, I made a mistake. And when I was using the same name, and give me a message called "You will replace the video because that name already exists." And guess what? I just did it. And guess what? Access denied. I bet denied means didn't do it. Oh, anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh parrot. I need clay and this. I have no idea. So, yeah, okay. I'm going to put clay in both of the slots. I'll show you. I put clay in all slots. Slots, and just smash. Kind of smash. Oh, it's a lot of clay. Okay, we're gonna need a. Where do you start? Nah. No, I don't think so. Yeah, they're turning it. Oh no, yeah, we have to restart. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's just do one animal at a time. Let's do elephant first. Do you know this show called Regular Show? I like it. Just peel it, skin right off, and you have your elephant. Now you just like same thing. Oh, what the heck! Ooh. Smash it. And there you have it, your parrot. Now, last, let's make giraffe. Put all my over. Oh. And there it is. Oh, this is really soft. Sorry. And these are. Keep them look closely. See them. Now, if you see here, I'm starting. Alright. Hey. Okay, now this thing is dotted. The giraffe. So is the elephant. Ooh. I'm gonna stop more. Yeah, Giraffe. What the heck? Oh, what the heck? Oh, what the heck? Yeah. Dude, Grace. Huh. Grace. Okay. Like I said here, this is super cool J. Yeah, it is. And this is how you make Play-Doh parrot with this thingamajig. Oh yeah. Also, I'll make other videos. It might be hard to record them because all I had this as a I don't have this is not my own device, but I have an iPhone 4 that I have an iPhone 4 which is only on my that's only where I can record my Minecraft videos on. But maybe I could try my plus I can't try it on my computer because yesterday I was trying to play it. And actually, guess what? I got errors. When I tried it twice, I got errors. It said Minecraft has crashed. Doesn't mean by crash. But actually, what I was doing, I saw the first time I saw 2 squids. That was the second time I saw a bunch. Wow, that's a big deal. Oh, bye. Wait, just a second.